In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default notifications for all-day events in Google Calendar. If you rely on all-day events to track things like birthdays, reminders, or deadlines, but you're not getting notified at the right time, adjusting the default notification settings can really help. Once you set this up, every new all-day event on that calendar will automatically use the notification rule you choose, so you don't have to change it manually every single time. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and look at the list of calendars on the left side of the screen. These are usually under sections like My Calendars or Other Calendars. Find the specific calendar where you want to change the all-day event notifications. This might be your main calendar, or it could be a shared calendar you use for a team or a project. Next, move your mouse over that calendar's name. You'll see 3 vertical dots appear to the right of it. Click on those 3 dots. This opens a small menu with several options related to that calendar. From that menu, click on Settings and Sharing. This will take you to a new page where you can change all kinds of preferences for that specific calendar, such as its name, time zone, sharing options, and of course, notifications. Make sure you're adjusting the settings for the correct calendar, especially if you manage more than one. On the settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled All Day Event Notifications. This section is different from the regular event notifications, which usually apply to events with specific start and end times. All-day events behave a little differently, so they need their own notification rules. In the all-day event notification section, you'll see any existing default notification that's already set. Here, you can change when and how you want to be notified. For example, you might choose to receive an email the day before an all-day event, or a pop-up notification at a specific time in the morning. You can adjust the timing to suit your routine and make sure you have enough time to prepare for whatever the event is. You can also add more than one notification if needed, or remove notifications you don't want. Once you've made your changes, they are saved automatically.